Welcome, everyone. My name is Jason Allen Jankowski, Forex analyst and trader. Today, I wanted to present to you an open discussion for the public trader and user of my published material. I want to take a minute and offer you some insights into something I think everyone in the trading community needs to be concerned about and has affected me personally, and it will affect you as a trader over time. And I thought it would be important just to raise awareness a little bit, and I appreciate you taking some extra time out of your trading day to review this recording. Let's get to work. First of all, I want to say thanks for coming, but I never know who's listening or what their experience level in the marketplace is. I want to remind everyone that trading in cash foreign exchange is considered a risk investment. It's not suitable for everyone at all points in time. You want to carefully consider if trading is right for you in light of your personal finances and your tolerance for risk. People can and do lose money. In rare cases, they might lose more than they invest. And everything that we're going to talk about here today is considered opinion, and it's subject to change at any time. And I want to ask you a question. Why would anyone publish anything? My opinion, people in any field, they publish material in the hopes that it will help advance the understanding for that field. And of course, they would like to be paid for that. People who are in the business of finance, trading, or the study of the markets often will take their particular point of view and present it to you, the public. It means publish it. And through the advances in technology and connectivity, meaning the internet and computer software, these published works now take many different forms, and they're no longer limited to just what we would call books. They can be any number of electronic formats, including audio and video, online magazines, PDF e-books. And for the most part, the general trading public welcomes these points of view. That's good. It's you as a trader have access to far more potential information and education than you previously had before the use of this technology. And maybe that'll help shorten your learning curve. And that's exactly why I make my unique material available the way I do. The reason I hold these sort of webinars. You guys can come every week and see my trading performance. You can participate with me on a number of different levels that include all sorts of information. It has increased public awareness to the uniqueness of what I do, and my material may help certain traders reach their individual goals, help you do better in the markets. And I hope that would be part of the process of growth as well as helping to advance the field of trading. But there's a problem, and this is what I want to take a few minutes to just share with you my insights on. The advances in this technology, although for the most part becomes a good thing for us as traders, this presents a downside as well. The open architecture of file creation and the ability to post online articles, media files, documents, books, and anything else you can think of to any server on the internet, that allows these materials to be available to anyone, anytime. And that has severely impacted the very nature of how and why people who wish to advance the art of trading participate. Simply put, this is the problem as I see it. Anyone with something of value runs the risk of losing potential revenue for his or her material. If something of value is intended to be a source of revenue for those who have created it, there are any number of ways for this revenue to be negated. And that brings me to why I'm posting this WAV file to YouTube. Now, YouTube is a method for creating and distributing material, and it was originally created in a way that it's not intended to generate revenue directly through the created material. In other words, somebody posting something funny about their dog, or maybe posting the video of their child's ballet performance. That's available for friends and family, and it's a way of raising awareness for what you personally might be doing, but it's not intended that that material was designed and developed to generate revenue for the creator. And however, though, I regularly see, and I'm sure you do too, copyrighted material, things like movies, TV shows, etc., posted to YouTube, and this creates an environment where the owner of that material will lose his right to receive revenue. YouTube has numerous disclaimers and warnings about uploading copyrighted material, but this doesn't stop some people from making other people's rightful products part of the public domain when they are not empowered to do so, and in fact are breaking the laws intended to protect owners of copyrighted material. You know, due to the advances in this internet and computer technology and the number of people that are using it consistently day in and day out, this sort of illegal piracy is so common and so voluminous that it's almost impossible to enforce copyright protections anymore. And in the case of material in the trading arena, this illegal pirating of copyrighted material is just as widespread. It's just as damaging to the creators. Almost every author of valuable trading-related material in some form or another, they have a story of how years of experience, hard work, discipline, and know-how has led to a waste of time and money for him and his publisher because that creative material is now posted someplace on the web where it can be gotten at no cost to the consumer. And in my particular case, there are videos, PDFs, complete copies of my books that were never intended to be part of this electronic public domain, and that they're all available for little or no cost simply by doing a Google search. And you could do this right now. Take any one of the titles of my book, type it in, do Google, you will see 20 or 30 places where you can download it for free. Both my publisher and myself, we've lost tens of thousands of dollars. That's a conservative estimate. Some guys have said it could be easily hundreds of thousands. This is done by unscrupulous people who've taken my copyrighted material and have made it available on public servers. My publishers told me there is virtually nothing that can be done to protect our lost income or prevent further losses due to this problem. Now, the only solution to this problem, in my opinion, is to no longer offer knowledge or information to the public or on a public forum. Now, I'm not saying that I will no longer provide education. I'm not saying I won't train people. I'm not saying I won't even write any more books. I'm saying that I'll no longer share that information in such a way that it exposes me or anyone else to lost income or revenue. The other solution is to ask those of you who are so inclined to confront piracy when you find it and be resolute in your refusal to participate in piracy. Until there is a way where my potential income is protected, I simply can't incur the time and cost to produce any more copyrighted material. And I know that other authors feel the same way, and publishers around the world are looking for ways to confront and eliminate the theft of services that's stealing part of our income. And if you happen to have an idea for that, I would welcome how to protect that. I encourage you, the public trader, to take the same point of view and refuse to accept or download copyrighted material unless you pay the creating author or distributor through an approved source. And please understand, I'm not blaming file sharing services like YouTube or Napster. I'm not bashing these people. I'm not even angry that I've lost sizable revenue. If anything, I'm just disappointed that in a time of such explosive growth in communication, education, market opportunity, we still have to deal with thieves, you know. All I'm saying to you guys is this, is that, hey, every time I create something that I can get paid with, it's stolen. What would you do if a sizable portion of your income was stolen so regularly? You know, and just to share with you briefly, I don't really need all this books, tapes, materials, education, training courses, psychology of trading course I offer. I don't need to do any of that. I can just be very happy and make a very nice income for myself trading. But I do all these other things because it raises awareness. It's a needed thing. It's going to shorten your learning curve. And there is a place where I can be compensated for that. Now, I guess I should be flattered that my material is popular enough that the jerks selling their speedy download software for $1.99 are using my books to hook you. But I'm really not flattered. Why don't they just contact my publisher and say, okay, we'll play nice, here's your 50 cents per download, right? No, they're not going to do that. There's thieves out there, there's people out there that are going to take something that is of real value and are pirating it. Now, I'm still committed to education and training, and I do seriously value you as a potential customer for education and training and to help grow your space as a trader, your personal trading presence. So help me help you. Contact me directly if you want to learn more or stay in the loop for serious help to win. Please don't do an end run around this issue and download illegal copies of something written by me or any author in the trading arena. In the long run, me and every other serious trader with something of value to offer you will stop providing help to anyone, and the potential for you to work harder at learning how to trade will increase. Be part of the solution. Help stop the illegal piracy of market-related material. As always, please consider me a friend in the business. If there's anything I can do to assist you, please feel free to contact me anytime. Please visit my website for complete details of what I do and the services I can offer you. When I have created material that would be considered copyrighted, I'll make that available by posting an announcement on my site or emailing you, and you're welcome to deal with me directly if you're interested in that. Thanks for listening. Power to the people.